Hello, and welcome to the session on time and work. This is the first part of the session. You can provide your feedback via Twitter at my Twitter handle @Ravi Handa. To begin with, the most important idea, in my opinion, in this chapter is work rate into time is the amount of work done. Now, I'm sure you'll know what time is and what work done means. But what is the work rate? Let's say if you can do a particular task in 5 days, then your work rate is 1/5 of the work per day or 20% of the work per day. Let's say that you work for 3 days, then you would have done 3/5 of the work or 60% of the work. Please note that whenever you get a question which is related to payments, the payments are always directly proportional to the amount of work done. They do not depend upon what was your efficiency, they do not depend upon for how long you worked. The bottom line matters. And the bottom line is that whatever is the work that you actually did, your payments will be proportional to it. Another concept which comes in the case of work and time is efficiency. Now, what is efficiency? In the concept of efficiency, you need to understand that different people can have different work rates. Let's say if you can do a particular task in 2 days and I can do that same task in 4 days, then who is more efficient? You are more efficient because you can do the task in just 2 days, and that, my friends, is efficiency. You are double, you have double the efficiency of what I do. In similar cases comes the concept of work equivalence. Continuing with the same example, let's say that you are double my efficiency. That would mean it will take two people of my type to work as much as you do. And this can be used in a few questions. Another concept which comes in is of negative work. Well, you might be wondering, if everyone is working, how can there be a concept of negative work? Well, negative work comes in case of pipes and cisterns, such as inlets and outlets. Let's say if you are trying to fill a tank or a cistern, then inlet, since it is filling, is doing positive work, whereas the outlet, since it is taking out, is doing negative work. Very similarly, if your task is to empty a cistern or a tank, then your inlet is doing negative work, whereas your outlet is doing positive work because your task is to empty the tank. Well, we look at a few problems and a few ideas on how to solve all these questions in the next video. Thank you.